Now I'm hopping on a city bus to visit Soyanggang Dam not far from Sembab Market. It's exciting to ride a bus up the winding road to the mountain summit. Finally, we've arrived at Soyanggang Dam. Let's take a look together. Water released from the dam flows downstream. This trail is said to be called 용너미길 because it looks like a dragon rising to the sky. The fountain shooting high into the sky brings life to the serene Soyang Lake. Now we are hopping on the bus and heading down again, all excited.